Welcome to the Food Love channel. In this video, I will give you a honey cookie recipe. Soft and crumbly and easy to prepare. Before moving on to your video, you will make me very happy by liking my video. You need 1 egg while baking about 20 cookies. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and half a teaspoon of soda. Stir until sugar dissolves. Then add 240 grams of flour. We must mix the dough first and then knead it. Knead the dough with our hands. The dough is soft but not sticky. Wrap it in a fridge bag and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Each piece I have is 20 grams. We will roll the dough into small balls. We put it on our tray with baking paper underneath. Using a kitchen hammer, I make a pattern without pressing too hard on each ball. Bake in a preheated oven to 180 degrees. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, otherwise the cookies will overbake and dry out. Bon appétit! Subscribe to my channel not to miss the best recipes. Thanks for watching my video.